Hello everyone, my name is Prajwal Chauhan and I'm working as a legal intern with Lexis & Company for the month of July. The topic for this video is the Minimum Wages Act of 1948. The Minimum Wages Act is to fix the minimum wages to the workers including skilled or unskilled workers in the industry. The act came into force after the World War II in 1948. India is one of the developing countries with a number of unemployed. Therefore, the employees exploit the manual laborers by fixing low wages, which is insufficient to meet their daily needs and medical expenses. Hence, the legislature enacted a law to prohibit the payment of wages below the employee's subsistence level. The wages provided by employers to workers should be following the Minimum Wages Act 1948. The act is considered to be a violation of Article 19(1) Clause G of the Indian Constitution in the eyes of the employers, but the Supreme Court ruled that the Act is based on the directive principle of state policy provided under Article 43 of the Indian Constitution. History of the Act. In 1919, the International Labour Organization highlighted the importance of minimum wages as part of the Treaty of Versailles. The concept of minimum wages was evolved to protect the workers against exploitation by the employers. The workers get wages substantially low when compared to the other industry workers. Hence, it becomes a crisis between the workers where they cannot meet their daily needs. In 1928, a draft was adopted for minimum wages in International Labour Conference. Objectives: to ensure that statutory fixation of minimum wages to prevent exploitation of labor, to ensure that the laborers have a minimum standard of life, to bring social justice, to ensure that the workers can meet their daily needs, physical necessity, proper health and comfort, to provide for periodic revisions of minimum wages fixed, to provide for the appointment of an advisory committee and board which an equal number of representation from employers and employees. Importance of Minimum Wages Act 1948. Minimum wages have been defined as the minimum amount of remuneration that an employer is required to pay wage earner for the work performed during a certain period, which cannot be reduced by collective agreement or individual contract. The purpose of minimum wages is to protect workers against unduly low pay. They help ensure just and equitable share of the fruits of progress to all, and a minimum living wage to all are employed and in need of such protection. Minimum wages can also be one element of policy to overcome poverty and reduce inequality, including those between men and women, by promoting the right to equal remuneration for work of equal value. Scope and its applicability. The, the Act applies to whole of India including Jammu and Kashmir. The provision of the Minimum Wages Act 1948 are applicable to every employer that employs more than 1,000 employees in a state. The provisions of the Act do not apply to employees undertaken by the central government or railways unless the same has been consented by the central government. Salient features of the Minimum Wages Act. The Act specified minimum wages for all government sector employees including central and state government. The minimum wages is equal to minimum payment plus special allowances including house rent allowances. The wage fixing mechanism according to Act is minimum wage rate, minimum piece rate, guaranteed time rate and price rate applicable to overtime. There are different classes for fixing minimum wages including different schedule employments, different classes of work in the same schedule employment, adults, adolescents, children, apprentice, and different localities. There are standard criteria for fixing minimum wages. The food requirement must be ascertained by the regular calorie intake by the family. 25% of the total wage is also considered to be social expenditure. The minimum wages must be revised every 5 years and same has to be announced every 6 months. The Regional Labour Commission shall be the authority for claiming the remedy under Article 20 of the Minimum Wages Act 1948. Case laws regarding the definition. In the case Lingegowda Detective and Security Chamber Private Limited versus Authority under Minimum Wages Act, the Karnataka High Court states that the detective agency will not cover under the Act. The employees are liable to pay minimum wages, but the same employees who are engaged by the detective agencies are on a private duty and are not entitled to get minimum wages under the Act. Therefore, no release can be sought against the contractor or manager. In the case of Bandhwa Mukti Morcha versus Union of India, the Supreme Court held that the peace rated worker is also entitled to receive the Minimum Wages Act under the Act, irrespective of his outcome. In the case of Madhya Pradesh BD Udyog Sangh Sagar versus State of Madhya Pradesh, the court stated that any payment which takes part like lay-off compensation cannot fall within the definitions of wages under Section 2H of the Minimum Wages Act 1948. That's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel.